This is gonna be fun.
Come on, Lennox, you got it, bud. Nope, you got it.
I'm Brad.
And I'm Patty. We are the Petersons, and we're from Iowa.
The first time I really fell for Minnesota, I was probably 8 years old. Grandpa would take my brother and I up every June to fish.
There's 16 of us now. To get together with everyone, especially in the summer, it's rare.
This is an opportunity for us to spend a week together experiencing Minnesota lake life. This place is too cute, right?
Yeah.
And I got the feeling the lake is big because I could just see a little sliver of it.
Hello, how are you guys? Where'd you come from? Iowa. I'm part of the family that started Fair Hills, and the most important thing here is being able to spend some quality time and make some memories together. We have 2 golf courses, we have sailing lessons, swimming lessons if you need them, water skiing. Does anyone know how to water ski yet?
I had no idea that there were all-inclusive opportunities in Minnesota. Look at the view.
No, I did. I can't get away from the view. That's what I want to see.
Do you feel like you're in a tree house?
Yeah.
Look.
No way.
Surprise!
Archie!
There's a pool!
I love my bed!
Okay, we're never leaving.
This is amazingly amazing.
So what should we do now?
I want to see some boats. Sail the ship, shiver me timbers.
Welcome to the Legacy of the Lakes Museum. You know, here we're all about celebrating what makes Minnesota special, which is our lakes. Did you actually know that water skiing was invented in Minnesota?
No.
Ralph Samuelson had this idea that if you can ski on snow, why can't you ski on water?
I mean, I'm taking notes.
Guys, look at this tackle box. Remember seeing some of the lures that my grandfather gave me?
Yeah.
They look just like that. You know what I would love to do is take you guys up to the Boundary Waters.
To be a Minnesotan is really to fall in love with the lake.
Can you do a loon call?
Matt and Patty, you're the judges. Who's the best loon? Oh, that's good. They're coming.
Yeah, the loons are coming.
Is that a Viking? Wow, that is amazing.
That's the biggest Norwegian I've ever seen in my life.
Go! Go! Go!
The kids are dancing and the grown-ups are finally catching up. We're disconnecting to reconnect. That's what it feels like.
Tomorrow we definitely will be going swimming.
We're in the water all day tomorrow.
Start the lake. My dad's gonna go water skiing. Same.
It's cousins growing up side by side and creating the kind of memories that they might one day share with their kids.
It's really clear, nice water.
It's just the togetherness of it all. And truly my happiness is just when the kids are happy.
Can I jump again?
Wave to Grandma.
I am having a great time. What about you?
We're having a great time too.
Time to party.
Yeah.
Keep your knees bent and...
Don't do the splits.
Daddy, you ready?
Got it! Oh, almost.
Third time's a charm, right?
That was excellent. We did it.
I dare you to hold one hand up like a rodeo star. There you go.
They're just living their best life.
Just to see the excitement in the parents' eyes as well as the kids has been my favorite part.
When you have a group of people that you enjoy spending time with, you can let go of schedules and just no to-do list, just lake time, together time. Perfect reset from the busy life.
We have nothing we have to do. We just enjoy. Oh, it's beautiful.
Comes the sun. Gorgeous course.
Ooh, should be back here. If the hole was here, you'd have been good.
That looks good. That looks good. Doesn't get any better than this, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, how cute is this? How are you?
Good, how are you today?
You have the perfect spot, too.
Oh,
the
thank
perfect
you.
location.
I'm from Colombia. I opened my coffee shop with just a dream. It's a lot of work, but it's been a fun journey. Yeah, I just want everybody that walk in and feel welcome.
And with your setting here, nothing beats it.
So beautiful. There's lakes at every turn. What's next on the agenda?
Sounds like we're going to see some trolls.
Into the woods, sis.
This is beautiful. The one-of-a-kind treasure hunt for supersized trolls is Danish artist Thomas Dambo's biggest installation in the US. He has built installations all over the world, but this corner of Minnesota inspired him to go all out.
They're all over the world? No kidding.
Go find the 8 ingredients. Face the golden rabbit and set the little people free again.
Each troll has a challenge for you to do good deeds for nature, animals, and people.
Nothing brings a family together more than 40-foot trolls and a mythical quest.
Let's go! Guys, let's go! The golden rabbit!
Nature truly is the best playground.
I just am not sure that people really understand the beauty that happens in this state.
From hiking in the forest to the abundance of lakes, the ski resorts turned into biking trails.
It's got it all.
Matt, do you want that shirt?
It does look like me.
I'm just asking, is this a beer drinking opportunity?
That beer is good. What's it called?
The Fulton Lonely Blonde. The volleyball championship of Fair Hills Resort begins now.
Game.
I can't remember the last time I had this much fun.
Who's watching the kids? Calvin, Lennox, Archer. More like Larry, Mo, and Curly.
I've never touched a worm in my entire life.
I got one!
Reel it in. Dinner tonight.
We're gonna eat and then we'll see what's next. You gotta get some food in ya.
Hearing the loons call when you go to sleep, you know, sleeping with the windows open, hearing the screen door slam, just a bit of serenity. There's something really special and restorative about that.
New traditions. Love you all.
You watch the grandkids enjoy it. You're seeing it through their eyes. It's a first for them, and it is magnificent.
Legacy is memories that build from generation to generation. You know, you see the same families year over year.
It's not just about a getaway, it's about building traditions.
They have had so much fun. They're going to talk about this for a long time.
So many beautiful places to explore in Minnesota.
There's really kind of something for everybody.
It makes you want to be a part of it.
Should we just stay here for a long time? I want to.
Me too.